ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत् कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान्। यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। Up to 34th Vartika we have seen Tattvamasi Vakya explanation is done. That is said in the introduction to 35. एतावता साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा इति द्वितीयः पादो व्याख्यातः। साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो आश्रितान् बोधयति। This second quarter of the shloka is vyakhyata by 34th Vartika. So in that sakshat shabda, sakshat means teacher directly tells the student tattvam asi in this way, sakshat tattvam asi. And what is sakshat aparoksha? That Brahma you are. So you are Brahma and Brahma is already aparoksha in this way. Idanim उक्तवाक्यार्थ तत्वमनुद्य तृतीयं पादं व्याचष्टे. So उक्तवाक्यार्थ तत्वम अनुद्य, अनुद्य means anuvacanam of whatever that vakyartha was already said. Anudya, anudya, anu upasarga purvak, what is the dhatu? Vad dhatu, vad dhatu and lyap pratyaya. So samprasarana takes place. So anudya it becomes, huva becomes u. Tritiyam padam, tritiyam padam is what? यत साक्षात्करणात् भवेद न पुनरावृत्ति. हाँ, सो साक्षात तत्वमसि उपदेश इज देयर, देन साक्षात्करणात्, साक्षात साक्षात शब्द इज देयर इन बोथ द्वितीय पाद एंड तृतीय पाद. सो तृतीयम पादम व्याचष्टे. तस्मादेक प्रकाशत्वं सर्वात्मत्वमिति स्थितम्. तस्मादेक प्रकाशत्वं सर्वात्मत्वमिति स्थितम्. तस्मात् therefore एक प्रकाशत्वं सर्वात्मत्वं. सर्वात्मत्वम is to understand that everything is one prakasha rupa chaitanya swarupa, and that chaitanya I am aparoksha. So sarvatmatvam, I becoming all, I being all, I am all is nothing but knowing that everything is eka prakashatvam. One chaitanya alone appears as all this, and that chaitanya is who I am, aparoksha. This is eka prakashatvam. Sarvatmatvam iti sthitam. This is This is the sthiti, this is the position, this is the condition. एक प्रकाशत्वम एकत्वं च प्रकाशत्वं च, एकत्वम and prakashatvam, this is eka prakashatvam, mean that which is one and which is prakasha swarupa, or ekarupa prakashatvam iti va, or it is put ekarupa prakash, prakash which is samana rupa, homogeneous. Idameva sarvatmatvam, this is called sarvatmatvam. तदात्मानमेवावेद अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति तस्मात् तत्सर्वम् अभवत्. तद आत्मानम एव अवेद, अवेद one matra, not avaid, one matra is extra on va. तद आत्मानम एव अवेद अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति, he knew himself as Brahma, that I am Brahma. So by knowing I am Brahma, tasmat tat sarvam abhavat, then it became all. This is from Brahadaranyaka. The number is 3, 4, 10 means 1, 4, 10. Iti shruto uktam na aneka rupapattihi iti sthitam nishchitam ityarthah. So there is no aneka rupam, there is only eka rupam, and that is eka prakashatva rupam, that is sarvatmatvam. So on the strength of Shruti also it is supported. So this I have understood. Now if my viparita bhavana is continuing, then I have to remind myself that this entire jagat is my Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa alone. So, Shravanam is done, Mananam is also done, Nishchaya Jnanam when it is there, then Viparita Bhavana, that I still see Jagat as different, many, to remove that I have to remind myself that no, even if it appears like this, like even if Akasha appears blue, Neelam, Nabha, it is not blue. Even if water from far appears blue, it is colorless. Even in Marubhumi, even if I see water, there is no water. Even if I see sunset and sunrise, really there is no sunset, sunrise. Even if I see flat land, really there is no flat land. Earth is round. So, Pratiti sometimes will take over the knowledge. Experience may take over the knowledge. Knowledge is not that knowledge is not there. Knowledge is very much there. But experience may try to take over. So then I have to just remind myself that no, this is not the case. Katham etan nishchiyate. Now this is in connection with that. How can I do this nishchaya that there is only one Chaitanya, one Prakash Rupa? Why you can't do? He said, Deva Manushyadi Bhedasya Vidyamanatvat. I see Bheda. Deva Manushya or Pashu, Pakshi and Purusha, Stri, Bala, Vriddha. I see Bhedas. I see Brahmachari, Grahastha, Vanaprastha, Sanya. This Bheda I see. I see Shvetambara, Pitambara, Raktambara, Geru, all these I see. How do you tell me there is no Bheda? So, iti ashankya, ityashankya, sh is missing. Prak pratipaditam artham jnapayati. That halant is for ka, Ashankya. Pratipaditam artham. What is already explained in the previous sentence, previous shloka, he makes it known to us again. Devatiryang manushyana प्रकाशान्न पृथक स्थितिः जीव आफ्टर जीव वी हैव टू पुट विसर्ग जीवः प्रकाशाभिन्नत्वात् सर्वात्मेत्यभिधीयते देवतेर्यं मनुष्याणां प्रकाशान्न पृथक् स्थितिः जीवः प्रकाशाभिन्नत्वात् सर्वात्मेत्यभिधीयते। देव तिर्यंग मीन्स पशु पक्षी मनुष्याणां प्रकाशात् पृथक स्थिति न, दे ऑल आर नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्रकाश. Just as the examples we have, right? Samudra alone appears as bubbles, froth, waves, tides, everything. So that we have to keep applying in Darshtanta, that I will see Bheda. I will see within one small room I see 25 different items. This book is Manasollas book part is different, Panchadashi part is different. There also there is Bheda. And yet this is all Prakasha Rupa only, not only Manushyas. The Jada Prapancha also, everything is Prakashat Prithak Sthiti na, because Phuranam and Satta are Samanam. So everything is Satta Rupa, Sphurana Rupa. And Jivaha Prakasha Abhinnatvat. Jiva is not different from Prakasha. Abhinnatvat Sarvam Atma iti abhidiyate. And therefore everything is Prakasha Rupa alone, myself. GOP, that's why you see Jivaha, Api is there. That's why you have to put the shloka in shloka as Jivaha Prakasha Pinna. Parmeshwara Prakashatma Prithak Swarupa Bhavat. Jiva is not different from Parmeshwar Prakasha. Parmeshwar Prakashatma Prithak Swarupa Bhavat Sarvam Atma. So Jiva is also not different from Parameshwara. Jagat is also not different from Parameshwara. Parameshwara is Prakasha Rupa. Therefore Jiva, Jagat, Parameshwara, everything is Prakasha Rupa. And that Prakasha Rupa is me. Therefore Sarvam Atma iti. So this, once the knowledge is there, I have to just remind myself. Clear knowledge, when it settles down, when mind is not disturbed, then I see everything is fine. Whatever I have studied in Shastra, that alone is my wisdom. Otherwise, what I have studied in Shastra is different from what is my wisdom. That is where Viparita Bhavana or Samshaya are still continuing. So for that we have to work. That is what is made clear now. See in the next shloka. Evam prakasha rupatva parignyane dridhikrite punaravrittirahitam kaivalyam padamashnute. एवं प्रकाशरूपत्व परिज्ञाने दृढीकृते पुनरावृत्तिरहितं कैवल्यं पदमश्नुते. एवं वाक्यार्थ तत्वम अनुद्य तद विज्ञान फलम आह. So having explained the वाक्यार्थ तत्वम, having done the anuvada of the essential teaching, its phalam is what? Nasa punaravartate. In this Bhavam Bho Nidau, there is no coming back. So that is said here. Evam prakasha rupatva parignane. Prakasha rupatvasya paritah jnanam. Parita means total. All, everything is nothing but prakasha rupa only. This jnanam has to be there. It has to settle down. It has to sink in. Sarvam prakasha rupa. And this jnane dridhi krite, parijnane dridhi krite. So this jnanam should be dridha. If you see the Tika introduction line, what is said? Evam vakyartha tattvam anudya tad vijnana phalamaha. So what is jnanam? One is jnanam, another is vijnanam. Jnanam is what I have understood from Shastra. And what is vijnanam? What is my wisdom? What I have, what I experience, what I see now. So, either you say jnanam and vijnanam, like Bhagavan says in Gita also, I will give you jnanam and vijnanam. Or you say dridha jnanam. Jnanam and dridha jnanam. Dridhi krite. That is what is said in this shloka. Then punaravritti rahitam kaivalyam padamashnute. So in this context, they give the story of Bharchu. I am not sure if I have told this story before. Definitely not in Manasollasa, but maybe in Siddhanta Bindu, Bharchu story. This Bharchu was a minister of a king. And this Bharchu is very wise. So obviously everybody else is jealous of him. Their only agenda was how to make sure this Bharchu is out of this kingdom or away from king. So they planned to kill Bharchu. They hired some people, they told him, take this Bharchu away in forest and kill him. So they took Bharchu away, and these ministers, they told king, Bharchu is killed. He is no more. And then one of the ministers, he wanted to become king's chief minister, so he became the main minister. Now there, Bharchu was starved for a few days, and then those people, they did not want to kill and commit another sin. So they left Bharchu and they took money and ran away. Now this Bharchu, because not taken bath properly for long time, not having food, long hair, dirty clothes, he said, I want to go back and I will meet king. So as he was walking towards, some people informed those ministers that Bharchu is coming back to kingdom to see king. So these ministers started spreading the rumor, Bharchu's ghost is coming. Bharchu has become ghost. He is not human being anymore, and he is going everywhere. And obviously, if you don't eat for a few days, if you don't take bath, etc., hairs are growing, in particular for men, beard and mustache and all irregularly, dirty clothes, that person looks like ghost only. So when he was coming near, people said, Bharchu's ghost is coming, Bharchu's ghost is coming. Then he came to kingdom and he said, I want to meet king. So these people had already told king that Bharchu's ghost has come and he goes here and there. Now, they the doorkeep guards, they told king that somebody wants to meet you, and he says he is Bharchu. So king was already informed. So this Viparita Bhavana was already there, that there is no Bharchu, it is only his ghost. Bharchu is dead. This is Viparita Bhavana. Now it is so strong that first king denies to see Bharchu. Like that Udanga Rishi, who was presented Amrutam by Indra, but in the vesh of Chandala. And the Amrutam was kept near the Mutra Indriya. So then Udanga Rishi Mutra Shanko Yathodanko. Udanga Rishi thought this is Mutra. So he denied Amrutam. In this way, this king also told Bharchu, told the guard that I think he is ghost and I don't want to see him. So then the guards told Bharchu. Bharchu realized. They said, no, let me at least see the king once, let me talk to him once. So then they said, okay, you can speak from far. So he stood little farther, and king was seeing Bharchu. King was talking to Bharchu, but in his mind he was thinking, this is ghost. This is not Bharchu. Like that, I am Brahma. I am experiencing Brahma. And I know it also, but this notion that this is world different from Brahma, I am Jiva different from Brahma, this is very strong. Or Jagat is Satyam. So this takes over. In other words, Aparoksha Jnanam is felt as if it is Paroksha. This is the problem. Jnanam, even though is Aparoksha, I think it is Paroksha. Like Bharchu is in front, but king thinks Bharchu is somewhere else or he is no more, and this is not Bharchu. So even if Jnanam has taken place, Viparita Bhavana doesn't allow me to enjoy the knowledge of this Jnanam. That's why it is said it is Vijnana Phalam. It will not be Jnana Phalam. Jnana Phalam will be Shastra Jnana. Its Phalam will be that I think one day I will realize. This will be the idea. I am done with my sadhana. I am done with my journey. There is no more transmigration. This bhava doesn't come. Kaivalyam, see, Ashnute. Ashnute is which lakara? Ashnute is lat lakara. It is not future. It is Vartamana only. So, Kaivalyam Padam Ashnute means in present only he knows that I am Kaivalya. But because of Viparita Bhavana, as though Kaivalya Padam is kept away from me. So I have the fear, what will happen, maybe there is Punaravritti, etc. Now in this, of course, different people have different ideas of how to understand and what is this Paroksha Jnanam, Aparoksha Jnanam. And on this, as I mentioned earlier also, with Maharajji I had a couple of conversations and my doubts were cleared. And that is, see, Shastra Jnanam can take place after proper study. But the avidya granthi, that I am Deha and Jagat is Satyam, this doesn't break easily. I am Anatma, Deha, ityadi, and Jagat is Satyam, this Granthi doesn't go away. And that's why Purva Paksha and all, they say, you know everything, and still you see all these people who have studied Vedanta, they are dukhi. Nobody says, I am Mukta. So in that, Bhagavan Bhashyakar's answer is, if there is Dehatma Bhava, naha vai sashariryasya satah priya priyayoho apahatirasti. If I think I am sasharira, then priya priya sukha dukha will not end. Ashariram vavasantam na priya priya spashata. If I have understood I am asharira, these are both from Chandogya 8th chapter, quotations. Ashariram vavasantam na priya priya sprushata. If I have understood I am asharira, then priya priya will not be there. Sukha dukha anubhav will be there, it will be badhita. So this is the main thought process. Until this Dehatma Bhava goes, I still think I am Jiva only. Now somebody will ask, okay, so as long as Prarabdha is there, how will you know Dehatma Bhava is not there? Dehatma Bhava will continue anyway, because your Prarabdha is there. Ahankarasya tadatmyam chichchaya deha sakshibhi sahajam karmajam bhrantijanyam. So if karma is there, tadatmya will be there. So we say yes, tadatmya of ahankara and deha will be there. But I am deha, this tadatmya will not be there. Ahankara and deha can have tadatmya. Atma and deha need not have tadatmya. If Atma Ahankara Tadatmya is broken, Atma Deha Tadatmya is also broken. Atma Chidabhasa Tadatmya is also broken. Ahankara Chidabhasa Tadatmya is Sahaja. Ahankara Deha Tadatmya is Karmaja. That will continue. Ahankara Atma Tadatmya is broken, which is Bhranti. So Bhranti is gone. With Bhranti gone, other Tadatmyas also should break. So this is Kaivalyam Padam, then there is no Punaravritti. So until this point takes place, one should not start feeling that now I know everything. Yes, you know everything, but if Dehatma Bhava is there, then that is not called Dridha Aparoksha Jnanam. So this point we have to note. Evam Jiva Brahmanoho Ekatva Jnana Mahatmyam Kaimutika Nyayana Aha. In this way, the Jiva Brahma Ekatva Jnana, its Mahatmyam, its greatness, its glory is said through Kaimutika Nyaya. Kimu Vaktavyam, Kim Uta is Kaimutika. Kaimutika, so you know that when there is lot of rain, everything gets wet, everything gets flooded, lot of water around, then somebody will ask, but did the bank of Gangaji become wet or not? They want to talk there. There is so much water is there. All the water that comes from mountains, everything comes down here. So much water will be there. Kimu Vaktavyam. What to talk of that? Sakrit Prasaktamatropi Sarvatmatve Yadrichaya. सर्वपापविनिर्मुक्तः शिवलोके महीयते। सकृत्प्रसक्तमात्रोऽपि सर्वात्मत्वे यदृच्छया सर्वपापविनिर्मुक्तः शिवलोके महीयते। सकृत्प्रसक्तमात्रोऽपि, let us say there is someone who has not studied Shastra in as much detail and therefore he has not become one with the teaching. In other words, Viparita Bhavana is not gone. Effort he is putting enough, but somehow the journey did not complete. So, Sakrit Prasakta. Sakrit Prasakta means, Sakrit Prasakta Matraha means, even if somebody has chosen this path, you have not reached the destination, you have started, and then body had to drop. Then what will happen? It is said, yadrichaya sarvatmatve sakrit prasakta matropi sarva papa vinirmuktaha shivaloke mahiyate. Then, because of yadrichya means, see tika, prachina punya yogena akasmika tad vishayamati prabalyena. Because of prior punyas and the grace of Guru, Mahatma, etc., punya yogena akasmika tad vishayamati prabalyena. Suddenly, that mati he will get. If not in this life, then in later lives. But in between, what will happen? Sarva papa vinirmuktaha Shivaloke mahiyate. So, if he is on this journey, then Sakrit Prasakta Matropi, where Sakrit Prasakta Sarvatmatve, that he is thinking of everything as me. He started this journey, he has not reached Puman Sarva Papa Vinirmukta. He will become free from all sins and he will go to Shivaloka. Means Brahmaloka Prapti. In Brahmaloka there will be Shivaloka quarters. All Shiva Bhaktas will be one side. All Vishnu Bhaktas will be another side. Or you say there is Shivaloka, Kailash, and there is another called Vaikuntha. And there is Ganapati, all Ganesh Chaturthi people are getting ready. So they will have their celebrations for 10 days. Ganesh Loka will be there. And Devi section will be there. Navaratri celebrating. So the Devi Loka, all will be there. Mahiyate, all will be Mahiyate, Pujyate, Shivavat Pujo Bhavati. He will be worshipped. And if he is here on this earth, then he will be worshipped like a great Mahatma, even though he may not be realized. He is just working on it. Still people will offer lot of fruits, flowers and dishes, whatever delicacies they have, some dakshina, everything. And namaskar. And of course coconut they will bring and break in front of him. Shivavat Pujo Bhavati Ityatha. Sarva Bhava Vinirmukta, instead of Sarva Papa Vinirmuktaha, if it is Sarva Bhava Vinirmukta iti pathe, to Sarva Vishaya Bhavana Vinirmukta. Then he will be free from all Vishaya Bhavana. So at least Antakarana Shuddhi will come if he follows this path for some time, correctly if he follows. So what is the Tatparya of this shloka? That even if somebody does not attain Brahma because of lack of preparation or lack of time, because of punya karma, he will get glory and he will be there in the higher worlds. And there if he gets the vairagya, then we will see in Panchadashi, then from there he will exit. सकृत सर्वात्मेश्वर भावावगमस्य च ईदृशं फलम. सकृत सर्वात्म ईश्वर भाव avagamasya. So the one who has understood Sarvatma Ishvara once, even once, properly, then the phalam is of this nature. For Jnani, na sa punaravartate. And for other, so Upasaka, etc., or those who are in the journey, like how Bhagavan said in Gita, Prapya Punya Kritan Lokan Ushitva Shashwati hi Samaha. For long time they will stay and then come back either in the house of samskari, well established families with good samskaras, or in अथवा योगिनाम एव कुले भवति धीमताम. तद अभ्यासस्य दृढ़तायाम सकारण संस्कार नाश इति किम वक्तव्यम इत्याह. तद अभ्यासस्य, दिस अभ्यास when it is done, when it becomes दृढ़तायाम. So even if abhyasa is not done and yes you are on the path, then sarva papa vinirmuktah shivaloke mahyate. Then what to talk if abhyasa is done properly and it becomes dridha, then sakarana samsara nasha iti kim vaktavyam itya. Then what to talk? That samsara has to go. Sarvatma bhavana yasya paripakva mahatmanah संसार तारक साक्षात स एव परमेश्वरः. सर्वात्म भावना यस्य परिपक्वा महात्मनः संसार तारक साक्षात स एव परमेश्वरः. यस्य महात्मनः सर्वात्म भावना परिपक्वा, of Mahatma whose sarvatma bhavana, that I am all, is paripakva. It has become ripe. So viparita bhavana has become kshina because of lot of abhyas also, ekagrata, and this kind of dhyanam he maintains. Chintanam he maintains. Dhyanam means not necessarily you have to do samadhi, abhyasa, etc. If you can do that, but also through repeated shravanam, repeated mananam. Tat chintanam, tat kathanam, anyonyam, tat prabodhanam continues. And other vikshepas are not there in life. Vidhivat sannyasa is also taken, etc. Then saha sakshat samsara tarakah parmeshwarah eva. Then he will be sakshat parmeshwara, paramatma. So he is already paramatma. Only upadhis are different, and different upadhis will give notion of differences. But as far as I am concerned, I am Brahma alone. So saha eva parameshwaraha. Samsara tarakaha, the one who takes across the samsara. That Parameshwara is this, whose sarvatma bhavana is paripakva. Iti Shri Dakshinamurti stotrartha pratipadake prabandhe manasollase तृतीयोल्लास संग्रहः. इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लासे तृतीयोल्लास संग्रहः. तृतीय श्लोक व्याख्या उपसंहरति. So तृतीय श्लोक व्याख्या is being concluded by saying इति दस श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके मानसोल्लासे प्रबंधे तृतीयोल्लास संग्रह समाप्तः. सो तृतीय उल्लास संग्रह is sampurna. Iti means it is samaptah. So the third shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotra is explained in this Manasollasa Prabandha, which is the revealer of the Dakshinamurti Stotra. Dakshinamurti Stotra Artha Pratipadakar Manasa Ullasa Prabandha. Now, so with this, more than half the text is over, because first three shlokas, you see the introduction. Everything teaching, main teaching is complete. Tadevam tribhi shlokaihi tattvam padarthau samshodhya tadaikyam vakyarthah pratipaditah. Tadevam, in this way, tribhi shlokaihi, with the three shlokas. First shloka, Jiva means Tattvam Pada. Second shloka, Ishvara means Tatpada. Third shloka, Tattvamasi Mahavakya and its Phalam. So, Tattvam Padarthau Samshodhya Tad Aikyam Vakyarthaha Pratipaditah. In three shlokas, Tattvam Asi, everything, Padartha, Vakyartha is taught. Explained. एषः सर्व वेदांतानां समन्वयः. दिस इज द समन्वय ऑफ ऑल वेदांत. प्रथमः शास्त्रार्थो दर्शितः. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट शास्त्रार्थ. सो समन्वय अध्याय, शास्त्रार्थ मीन्स ब्रह्मसूत्र शास्त्रार्थ इज प्रथम अध्याय समन्वयः इति दर्शितः. Now what is there? इदानीम उक्ते समन्वयार्थे ब्रह्मात्मा द्वैते तत्वे विरोध शंकां प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाणाभास निबंधनां वादी मति विलास निबंधनांच प्रतिक्षिप्य तम एवोक्तम समन्वयार्थम दृढ़ीकर्तुम उत्तर श्लोकत्रयम प्रवृते. So now there is pravritti for in the next three shlokas, Uttara Shlokatrayam. What is that? Ukte Samanvayarthe. The Samanvayartha which is already spoken, Brahma Atma Advaite. That Brahma Atma Advaita Tattva is there. Advaite Tattve Virodha Shanka. Now, opposition will come, Purva Paksha, all. So after Samanvaya, you have to do avirodha. You have to refute all the virodha and establish there is no virodha. So virodha shankam. How is the virodha? Starting with pratyakshadi pramana abhasa nibandhanam. Those who have pratyaksha pramana as very prabala, so that will give abhasa of manyness, nanatvam. Not nanatvam, nana. Many. प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाण आभास निबंधनाम वादी मति विलास निबंधनांच. एंड ऑल द प्रतिवादीज विच आर देयर, पूर्व पक्ष, देयर मति विलास, ईच वन ऑफ देम विद देयर ओन बुद्धि, देयर ओन इंटेलेक्ट, दे विल प्रोजेक्टिंग समथिंग. इट इज दिस वे, इट इज दैट वे. मति विलास निबंधनांच प्रतिक्षिप्य. सो देयर प्रतिक्षेपण मीन्स दे all of them are thrown against the Brahmatma Advaita. Tam eva uktam samanvayartham dridhi kartum. So, having refuted them, samanvayartha, what is already said, it will be dridhi kartum. It will be once again strengthened, emphasized. Pratikshipya, this shabda actually should mean throwing against. So what is obstructed or what is thrown against? Another meaning is krita akshepaha. So whatever akshepas are done, तमेव उक्तम समन्वयार्थम दृढ़ीकर्तुम उत्तर श्लोक त्रयम. The उत्तर 3 shlokas are for that. प्रववृते तत्र आत्मसत्तैव सत्तैषां भावानां न ततोधिका तथैव स्फुरणं चैषां नात्मस्फुरणतोधिकम्. Earlier it was said Atmasatta alone is the satta of all, and Atmasphuranam alone is Sphuranam for all and not any different. Iti yaduktam purvam sarva bhavanam swatah satta spurana rahityam tad anubhav viruddham. Somebody says this is not our experience, that the padarthas don't have swatah satta and swatah sphuranam. Anubhav viruddham. Why? घटोस्ति घटस्फुरति इति च अनुभवात्. Because the anubhav is घट is and घट स्फुरति. घट स्फुरणम is there. So बाध अदर्शनाच्च, and you may say that रज्जु अस्ति, सर्पो अस्ति, रज्जु सर्पो अस्ति, रज्जु सर्प स्फुरति, but its बाधा is there. So then really speaking there is no rajju. Yes, but in case of ghata there is no badha also. Badha adarshanacha iti prathamam ashankate, and therefore it is doubted that satta and sphuranam comes from Paramatma and not it is already there with the object. That is said swatah santah prakashante भावा घटपटादयः नेश्वरस्य समावेशा दित्यस्योत्तरमुच्यते. स्वतः सन्तः प्रकाशन्ते भावा घटपटादयः नेश्वरस्य समावेशा दित्यस्योत्तरमुच्यते. स्वतः संतः घट पटादयः भावाः पदार्थाः pot, cloth, everything, they are there on their own. They have their own satta. Swatah santah and prakashante, they are becoming known on their own. Na ishwarasya samaveshat, not that Ishvara has entered there or any jiva is present around there because of which the ghata is known. Iti asya uttaram uchyate. This ashanka's uttara is said. See tika very small. Swata eva santaha, swata eva prakashante. They are there on their own with their own satta and their own sphuranam. Na ishwarasya samaveshat, not because of Ishvara's entry there, Ishvara's presence there. Why? Tasya adarshanat. There you don't see any Ishvara entry there. Tat kalpanayam praman abhavacha, and in that kalpana there is no praman. The praman abhava is there. Asya akshepasya uttaratvena uttara shlokam avatarayati. So, as the response to this objection, the next shloka is being presented. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.